Today we are going to show you a quick and easy way to permanently delete files in Windows 10 and 11. With the normal deleting method, we select the file and hit the delete key. The files will go to the recycle bin, and if you do not empty the recycle bin, anyone can easily retrieve these files from recycle bin. There are two methods to delete files permanently. Method number 1. Right-click on the recycle bin and select the properties. There you can customize the size of the recycling bin by increasing or decreasing the value, or you can also select another option. Do not move files to the recycle bin. Remove files immediately when deleted, and if you would like to continue, hit the apply option. The best way is to leave it at the default option. Just in case you hit the delete button mistakenly, in that case, you will not be able to retrieve the files with the normal method, so here we can choose the second method. Method number 2. Here is a simple and effective way to ensure your sensitive files are permanently removed from your Windows 10 computer with your confirmation. Select the files you want to delete, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, press the Delete key. Windows will ask you to confirm the deletion. Confirm the action by clicking. Yes, by using this method, we have successfully deleted the files permanently, without sending it to the recycle bin. This means it cannot be recovered by using normal methods. We hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful Windows 10 tips and tricks.